Now we encounter Python's most elegant conditional syntax in this line. Equipment syntax, active, in quotes, if reading is greater than 0.1 else threshold. This is the ternary operator, Python's compact way to choose between two values based on a condition, perfect for creating calculated dictionary values that depend on logical tests. So the ternary operator syntax, active if reading greater than 0.1 else threshold. This reads almost like English. Use active if the reading is greater than 0.1. Otherwise, use threshold. The structure is value if true, if condition, else value if false. So it evaluates like if reading is 0.7, since 0.7 is greater than 0.1 and that's true, equipment status becomes active. If reading is 0.05, since 0.05 is greater than 0.1 is false, equipment status becomes threshold, and so on, creating intelligent, adaptive data that changes based on calculated conditions. Instead of storing static text, we're storing conditional values that reflect the actual measurement strength. As mirroring real scientific equipment behavior, again, is when detection readings are strong above 0.1, the equipment status shows active, indicating confident detection. But if it's weak, 0.1 or below, we've got threshold, indicating the equipment is operating at its sensitivity limit. The ternary operator creates compact conditional logic for data assignment. Instead of having to write out a big if-else statement, we write it all in one elegant expression directly as the dictionary value, making your data creation more readable and more efficient, embedding intelligent conditional logic right into your data structures.